Hello, Grandma? It's Leo. Are you busy right now?
Leo, my dear, what a wonderful surprise to hear your voice. I am never too busy to talk to you. How are you, darling?
I am doing very well, thank you. But today is not about me. It is all about you. I am calling for a very special reason. Happy birthday, Grandma.
Oh, thank you, Leo. You remembered. Hearing from you is the best gift a grandmother could ask for. It means the world to me that you called.
Of course I remembered. I have been looking forward to today all week. I wish I could be there to give you a big hug in person, but a phone call is the next best thing. Are you ready?
Ready for what, my dear?
Ready for your birthday song? Sings. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, Leo, you have always had such a lovely singing voice. Thank you. That was just beautiful. You have truly started my day with a big smile.
I'm so glad. A birthday should always start with a smile. So, tell me everything. How is your special day going so far? What have you been doing this morning?
It has been a very lovely and peaceful morning. Your grandfather made me my favorite breakfast with soft boiled eggs and fresh bread from the bakery. It was a delicious treat.
That sounds wonderful. Grandpa always knows how to make the perfect soft-boiled eggs. Has anyone else called you yet?
Oh, yes. I have been quite popular today. Your Aunt Maria called from Salzburg first thing this morning, and I have a lovely pile of birthday cards on the table from friends and neighbors.
I'm happy to hear you are being showered with love. You deserve it. I hope you have been relaxing and not doing any housework today.
I promise I have not done any work at all. I have just been sitting in my favorite armchair, reading my cards, and enjoying a nice cup of tea.
That sounds like a perfect birthday morning. Speaking of cards and things, I have a question. Did a small package happen to arrive for you in the mail?
A package? It did. A box arrived just an hour ago with your name on the return address. I was so curious, but I decided to wait until you called before I opened it.
I'm so glad it arrived on time. I was tracking it online, and it said out for delivery this morning, but you can never be 100% sure.
It is sitting right here on the table next to me. The box is wrapped in very nice blue paper. You always choose such lovely wrapping paper.
I tried my best. I hope you like what is inside. It is nothing very expensive or fancy, but I thought about it for a long time, and I chose something that I hope will make you happy.
My dear, any gift from you would make me happy. It is the thought that counts. Are you sure you want me to open it now, while we are on the phone?
Yes, please. I want to hear your reaction. It's the next best thing to watching you open it in person. Please, go ahead and open it now.
All right, if you insist. I am carefully tearing the paper now. I am trying not to rip it too much. Okay, the paper is off. It's a beautiful dark green book of some kind.
It is a photo album. I thought your old albums were getting very full, so I found a new one for you. But you have to look inside.
I am opening it now. Oh, Leo. Oh, my goodness. It's not empty. It's full of photographs. These are all recent pictures of the family. This is the most thoughtful gift I have ever received.
I asked everyone in the family to send me their favorite photos from the last year. I printed them all out and arranged them for you. Are you still there, Grandma? I hope you liked the photos.
I am here, my dear. I was just speechless for a moment. I am looking at the first page now. This is that beautiful photo of you and your sister from your hiking trip in the Alps. You both look so happy and healthy.
I thought you would like that one. The mountains in the background were so beautiful that day.
And here is a picture of your little cousin Anna with her new puppy. It is just adorable. Looking at these photos makes me feel like everyone is right here with me. It brings back so many memories.
That's what I was hoping for. A way for you to see all of us, even when we are far away.
It reminds me of your 5th birthday party. Do you remember? Your mother baked that incredible chocolate cake shaped like a dinosaur, and you had chocolate all over your face. We have a wonderful photo of that somewhere.
I do remember that dinosaur cake. It was the best cake of my entire life. That is a lovely memory. I'm so sorry that I can't be there today to celebrate with you in person.
I know, my dear. Your studies at the university are very important. We are so proud of you. Don't you worry about it at all. We will celebrate properly when you come home this weekend.
I am already looking forward to it. So, what is the final plan for the big family dinner? Is it still happening on Sunday?
Yes, the plan is for everyone to come here to our house on Sunday afternoon at about 1 o'clock. Your aunt and uncle are coming, and all your cousins will be here.
Sunday at 1 o'clock. Perfect. I will take the early train from Vienna on Sunday morning, so I will be there on time. I can't wait to see everyone together.
It will be wonderful to have the whole family together. That is the best birthday celebration I could ever wish for.
It is going to be a great party. And for a great party, we need a great cake. What kind of birthday cake are we having on Sunday?
Well, I have requested my absolute favorite. Your mother has promised to bake me a traditional homemade soccer tort.
A soccer tort? Grandma, that is a fantastic choice. Mom's soccer tort is legendary. It is so rich and chocolatey with the apricot jam in the middle.
It is my favorite treat, and she always makes it so perfectly. I am already dreaming about having a big slice with a nice cup of coffee on Sunday afternoon.
Now I am dreaming about it too. I will make sure to save some room for dessert. Should I bring anything for the party on Sunday? Can I help with anything?
That is very sweet of you to offer, Leo, but you don't need to bring a thing. Just bring yourself. That is all I need. Your mother and I have everything organized.
If you are sure, I am so excited to see everyone. How is Grandpa doing? Is he behaving himself and letting you be the queen for the day?
He is being a perfect gentleman. He is in the garden right now, tending to his roses. He said he wants to pick the most beautiful one for the dinner table tonight. He sends you his love.
Please send him my love too. I can't wait to see him on Sunday. And how is my cousin Martin? Is he still enjoying his new job at the engineering company?
He is loving it. He was just telling us last week that he is working on a very
interesting new project, building a bridge. He seems very passionate about his work.
That is so great to hear. It sounds like he found the perfect career for him. It will be nice to catch up with him and hear all about it.
He will be very happy to see you. He always asks about you and how your university classes are going.
It sounds like everything is well with the family. What about you, Grandma? What have you been doing with yourself lately, besides having birthdays?
Oh, you know me. I like to keep busy. My garden is my biggest project at the moment. The tomatoes are growing beautifully this year. I will be sure to send you home with a big bag of them on Sunday.
I would love that. Your homegrown tomatoes are the best in the world. They taste like pure sunshine.
I have also joined a new book club with some of my friends. We meet every Wednesday at the local library to discuss a new book. It is a wonderful way to keep my mind active and discover new authors.
A book club, Grandma. That is fantastic. What book are you reading right now?
We are reading a very interesting historical novel set in ancient Rome. It is very exciting. I will tell you all about the story when I see you.
I would love to hear about it. You are always doing such interesting things. Well, Grandma, I should probably let you go now so you can continue to enjoy your peaceful birthday.
Thank you for calling, Leo. This has been the highlight of my day so far. And thank you again for the incredibly thoughtful and beautiful photo album. I will treasure it forever.
You are so very welcome. I am so happy that you like it. I will call you again on Saturday to confirm my train times for Sunday.
That sounds perfect, my dear. I am already counting down the days until I can see you and give you a real hug.
Me too. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your birthday. I hope you get spoiled with lots more love and cake.
I will do my best. You travel safely now. I love you very much, Leo.
I love you too, Grandma. I will talk to you soon. Happy birthday again. Bye-bye.